Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to successfully create a gig that goes viral on Fiverr. You will be surprised to see how the gig goes viral by waiting until the end of the video. Before going to the video, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, first, log into your account. Once logged in, you can see an interface like this. Then you need to switch from the selling account to the buyer account. I switched like this. Okay, I successfully switched to a buyer account. Now I search for animation banner in the search bar, T. Once you search like that, you can see an interface like this. Okay, now you're going to create a high-demand SEO gig, so be sure to watch the video without skipping it. Okay, as you can see, there are quite a few gigs posted by other sellers here. There are a lot of orders and good reviews from these gigs. You need to copy 5 gigs to Notepad. Do as I do. Okay, I'll click on the gig I posted first. Yes, I see that this seller's gig is set to very high quality. I'll copy it to Notepad. Just like I did, you can copy the gig to Notepad. Similarly, I copy a good gig that has orders and reviews to Notepad. You have to be very careful and only choose gigs that have orders and reviews. Okay, I copied the second gig as well. In the same way, I copied the remaining 3 gigs like this. Okay, now open the ChatGPT. Okay, now type this prompt. Here are 5 gigs on Fiverr related to animation banner design. Please analyze these 5 gigs and give them to me as high-demand SEO. Okay, now copy the 5 gigs you copied earlier to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will analyze some high-demand SEO gigs. Yes, you can see how ChatGPT performs the analysis very quickly. Yes, we have been given a few best gig style, extra high demand Fiverr SEO title ideas. From here, I select the gig at the top called I will design professional HTML5 animated banner ads. Copy the high demand gig given by ChatGPT and log into your Fiverr selling account. Click the My Business tab and go to the gig page. Select the SEO gig you have posted and click Edit. Then, pass the gig given to you via ChatGPT. Okay, I've done all the work now. Okay, let's see if the gig will be SEO or not after a day. Okay, I'm on the gig page now. Whoa, oh my God. You can see now how much the gig has reached in a day. So keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel, and keep the bell icon on. See you in another advanced video like this. Have a good day.